Hello everyone, it's Claire. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, it's lovely to have you. Thank you for all your lovely comments. I love getting to know you and I'm happy that you find my tutorials helpful. Tutorials are for complete jewelry beginners, so they're very simple to understand. And today I have some beautiful Millefiori beads. Millefiori is an Italian word meaning 1,000 flowers. And Millefiori beads are also known as mosaic beads throughout the world. Millefiori is a technique that involves repeated folding, rolling and stretching of molten glass to create intricate 3D patterns called canes. The designs run through the cane like the words in a stick of rock and made into beads. So as you can imagine, these beads are quite expensive to buy. I do have a website, Lowcost craft supplies, where you'll find handmade jewelry, craft and jewelry supplies. What makes me a little bit different to normal suppliers is, although I do strands, because I aim my tutorials at beginners, I sell lots of things individually. Charms, your beads, some beads I sell singly, just like I will do with these beads that I'm going to show you now. Well, you'll find packs of 10 or 20 because I know that when you start out to make jewelry, it can be very expensive. So let me show you this very simple Millefiori bracelet, but I think it shows off the lovely colours of the beads. So these are the lovely beads that I'm going to be working with today. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm using some 0.6 elastic, and you need to cut yourselves 12 inches. And I've got a bead clip to stop the beads from falling off. So we've got our 12 inches of elastic. Give a stretch. Put a bead clip on the end. And I'm just going to randomly thread the beads. You may find it easier to use a needle. So you do whatever is easier for you. I just want to say thank you for all the sympathy wishes you gave. I lost my dear old cat Lucy, and I did do a video and make some memorial jewelry, and I miss her dearly, and her brother. Put colours on those. I've got lots of new stock as well. After this, once I get this video uploaded, I'm going to share the news. I've got some restocks, but lots of new stock that I've got available, which I'm excited to share with you. Some beautiful red velvet drawstring pouches as well, which would be great for putting your designs in for Christmas. You can always make a bracelet with wire. I've got plenty of tutorials, and add a lobster clasp and a jump ring or a toggle clasp. There's plenty of videos, just search the playlists. If you didn't want to use elastic. But they're so pretty. Count how many beads I use at the end of this and show you. Yeah, it's a simple way to explain about Millefiori. It's the same way they make rock. About another 2 beads and then we're done. Trying to find the hole. So that's 7 inches. So pretty. So I'm going to do a surgeon's knot, and I'll put an image above for you to see, but what you would do is do a normal knot but go over twice and pull. We do one the other way. That is a surgeon's knot, and I always do one for luck. Always have done. Then we just snip the ends off. And there we have beautiful Millefiori glass beaded bracelet. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewelry beginner. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.